Before I go ahead and install my ARP Head Studs, I want to show you guys a quick clip that Howard from Darton sent to me the other day, just to explain to me how they install their bottom end main studs or their top end head studs. So check this video out and we'll get right back.
This is how we lube up studs.
A little bit on the bottom.
Not a lot of extra, but we also lube up the entire stud. We don't want it gopped on there.
Now that you guys have Darton East's way of installing their ARP head studs, we're going to go ahead and do the same steps that they do, just because this is my first time and I know there's a lot of people out there that are wondering how to install the ARP head studs. So basically this is how it's going to be going into the block. There's a reason to why Howard and his tech lubed up the whole shaft, so I'll leave it right here so you guys can see what he said. While you read that, I'm going to go ahead and put some ARP lube up on my hand. So our first step is we are going to lube the bottom of the stud and then just run it down a little bit on the head, just a little bit, and then a little bit more on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and do that to all of them. Now that we have our head studs in our block, we're going to go ahead and take a 5mm Allen wrench and we're going to just snug them down. Be gentle when you're doing this. Now that I have my head studs in my block nice and snug, I'm going to go ahead and take my 1/4 inch breaker bar. I'm just going to check to see if everything is level. See how there's some clearance right here? Again right here. And some right here. So just going to go ahead and snug these down. Figure out where my issue is. Don't over snug them. These two seem to be a little too high. Okay, now that I got my head studs all level, it's just more or less a little, I don't know, safety measure on my end just to make sure that they're all level because I am OCD. But they look awesome. We are going to go ahead and clean the deck once again. It's okay if you go ahead and wipe a little bit of excess off on the bottom of the studs because that ARP lube will follow itself down with the head. But we are going to be going and cleaning this deck before we go ahead and install the head gasket. When you're cleaning the deck now on the final clean, don't forget to clean all of your sleeves, all on that metal area right there.